Morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We praise and thank the Lord for gathering us together this Sunday as we celebrate the fifth Sunday of Easter. And we continue to thank Him for blessing us always and for the gift of this community. And once more, we wish to welcome our dear pilgrims of hope as we continue our Jubilee year. Sa inyo pong lahat, maligayang linggo at maligayang pag-uwi dito sa Manila Cathedral. Paano po ninyo gustong maalala o makilala? And in the course of our days, how do you want to be remembered? How do you want to be acknowledged? Or how do you want to be known by people? Siguro po wala naman pong sasagot sa akin dito, wala naman din po sa atin dito ang magsasabi na gusto nating makilala o maalala bilang masamang tao. Naku, yang taong yan, yang lalaking yan, madaya yan, matakaw yang taong yan, yang babaeng yan, chismosa yan. Yang mga batang yan, masyadong sakim masyado. Yung mga tao dyan, nako, Diyos ko, magugulo yan. No one would want that we be remembered otherwise. We wish that we be known, at least and hopefully, through the goodness we live. Ay, magalang yang batang yan. Yung mga magulang yan, supportive yan. Yung mga servants, magagaling. Yung mga tao dyan, maasikaso. You know, my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus had so many wishes for His apostles, so to say, many habilins to His apostles before leaving for heaven. And more than the commandment of love, He desired them this one. This is how all will know that you are my disciples if you have love for one another. Sinabi nga po sa kanta kung saan pinagbasihan nito, kapag umiral sa inyo ang dakilang pag-ibig ko, makikilala ng mga tao na mga alagad ko nga kayo. You will be known by many by your love for one another. And maybe Jesus had this in mind. Ayokong makilala kayo ng mga tao na minsan pinag-agawan ninyo sino ang uupo sa kaliwa ko o sa kanan ko. Ayokong maalala kayo na minsan mahihina ang pananampalataya ninyo. Ayokong maalala din kayo na minsan matitigas ang ulo ninyo bilang mga alagad. But I want you to be remembered that you love one another and how you love one another. That you will be known because you love each other. We've heard in our first reading, my dear friends, how Paul and Barnabas were warmly welcomed by the many communities they visited. At hindi lamang po sila tinanggap. They were loved. They were cared for. They were given their needs. They were comforted and all. Love was at the top priority. And true enough, these men lived in love. Nakilala silang nagmamahal ng mga tao sa kanilang paligid. We do not want to be remembered as an embarrassing person or someone who hated many, someone who lied to many, someone who stole to many, or someone who paid less attention to many. Araw-araw, pinagbubutihan nating yakapin yung paanyayan ni Jesus na makilala at maalala tayong mga nagmamahal na tao. Hindi pabaya, hindi plastic, hindi mayabang, kundi mga nagmamahal na tao. Kaakit-akit ang mga umiibig. Kaakit-akit ang pag-ibig. A simple charity is gospel to everyone. A simple act of love and respect to others will already be a good news to everyone. And if we wish to ask our brothers and sisters who converted to our faith, maybe some would tell us that they got attracted and joined our faith because Father taught them, nakarinig sila ng turo ng katekismo, ng katekista, nakabasa sila. Yes, and there will be some. But most of them would tell us, kasi dito nakaramdam ako ng pagmamahal. I was given compassion. I was cared for here. I was respected here. Dito sa komunidad na ito, sinalba ako. Sa aking faith community, sa Manila Cathedral, saan mang komunidad na saan ako, sinamahan ako. Alam kong hindi ako pinabayaan. Love attracts. Lovers attracts. Loving speaks so well to others. We do not want to be remembered or to be known as otherwise. We wish that every day we love and be remembered as loving each other. Sabi nga po dun sa isang wedding song na kinakanta dito sa Manila Cathedral, all I ask of you is forever to remember me as loving you. My dear brothers and sisters, ibato ko po ulit yung tanong sa inyo. Paano po natin gustong makilala? Paano po natin gustong maalala? How do you want to be known for? How do you want to be remembered? How do you want to be acknowledged? Every day is a challenge that we love, we care, we respect, we share our time, we make others happy so that we will be known by everybody, not as a grumpy person, not as dead kids, not as objects of fear, but we will be remembered because we are loving, we are caring for each other, we are generous, and we are Jesus every day.